Hi, I'm Brian LaBelle with GF Piping Systems here at WEFTEC 2022 in New Orleans, Louisiana. I have the pleasure of talking with Mr. Bryan Hutton, Market Development Manager with Lubrizol. Thank you for taking some time out of your day, Brian.
Appreciate it, Brian.
Spend some time with us here. Tell us a little bit about yourself and about Lubrizol.
Oh, well, I appreciate that, Brian. It's good to be here at WEFTEC with you in 2022, New Orleans, post-COVID. Things are coming back to life.
Finally getting back together again.
Absolutely, and it's been great to get out. Definitely been great to get out. So I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I work with Lubrizol. I'm a chemical engineer with Lubrizol in our Corzan CPVC group. And as you know, we're actually what we call compounders. We produce resin, compound, and we produce that for basically our customers, which are great manufacturers like George Fisher.
You bet, yeah. We're proud to make our valves and our pipe and fittings exclusively from Corzan resin from Lubrizol.
Absolutely.
It's the best CPVC there is.
Yeah, well, that's what we like to say, and hopefully better than that, most of our customers say the same, so that's a good thing.
Right.
That's a good thing. But WEFTEC's a great show. It's been a really good being here, seeing everyone again, and I tell you what, as we look at the wastewater world, we've seen a lot of neat innovations. I mean, you guys have brought out some of your new technology, which is great. We've been able to go around and look at a lot of the new people out there. There are different chlorinators out there, caustic producers, and really when you start looking at the market to bring clean water, right? To bring clean water or to actually clean up water, right?
Disinfect wastewater.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, as we try to be more sustainable, as we try to help people stay healthy, it's really important that they've got, one, a great resource for information.
Yes.
You know, like a George Fisher or us as a Lubrizol, who also support you guys, but also having a system, right, that they can depend on.
Absolutely.
So it's a big deal.
Speaking of system, one of the most important systems that we use our Corzan CPVC for is our Double-See Double Containment piping system for the conveyance of aggressive chemicals and media.
Right.
And tell us a little bit about what makes Corzan special as a material and really suitable for those highly corrosive applications.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, first off, for us, we have to have great partners like George Fisher, right? We have to have people that really know how to extrude pipe or know how to injection mold their fittings. That's very important. But for us, again, as we look at what we do on the compounding side, we try to do our best to provide a very consistent, expansive material that can actually be consistent out there in performance. So when people actually see it and they see Corzan on your pipe, they know that it's high impact strength, they know that it's got great weatherability, they know it's consistent, and they know that they can always count on us, right?
Absolutely.
And that's super important, especially in today's environment.
Yeah, right. So in the water, wastewater industry, what are some of the opportunities that you see or challenges? I mean, you mentioned post-COVID, there's a lot of project business going on out there. The future is a little uncertain. What are some of the key trends and opportunities that you see?
Well, there's a lot of work going on with different municipalities as they try to basically produce potable water for their people, as well as, again, as we look at the waste side, there's more and more technology as we look to clean it up. You know, how can we clean it up? How can we use less water to clean it up? Dirty water, right? But also, again, being sustainable and being responsible. So it's really important. So what we're seeing, again, across the country, there's an investment in the infrastructure, right? There's a lot of investment in the infrastructure, getting materials. They're going to need consistent materials. They need to be on time. There's a lot of things that play there that we try to work together. I mean, that's why we're partners. So we try to provide a consistent product that's available out there.
It sure is a pleasure working with you, working with Lubrizol. Love your products, love your people, and thank you very much for taking time to spend some time with us here at WEFTEC.
Hey, we appreciate it.
Thank you, Brian. You take care, huh?
All right, take care.